Hi guys, I'm again with a new video. I was not able to make videos because Volume Trade had put some limit on my account because I was earning good. I was daily fetching 100 to $200, and I was taking so many 1 minute trades, so I think that's why they have put limit on my account. Nevertheless, now this limit has been removed, so I'm making this live video. For security reasons, I'm hiding my balance, but you can see I'm taking trade on live account only. Okay, so let's take some trades. If you, as you can see, this is clearly uptrend going on. From here, you can see there are 2 weeks. Okay, so it is showing a good support here. See how the candle jumped. So whenever we will get the chance around this area, we will take up trade, or if it breaks this area, then we will go for down trade. So we have to wait. We have to wait how the candles go. So most probably, as it is uptrend, so most chances are whenever I will get chance, I will go for the up trades only. Like at this particular point, uh, I'm getting, yes, it has broken the as I told, this was the area. It has broken this. It's getting support. Let me check first. I whenever I take trade only when I am very sure. Okay, so you also every time. Okay, I'm taking down. So why I'm taking down? Why I'm taking this down trade? See, it was a clear uptrend. There was a good support at this place, and as I told you in the starting, that if there will be a support here and the candle jump from here, I will go for up. But as this candle broke the resistance, so I was pretty sure that the next trend, this is a trend reversal kind of thing, because it have broken the support. So i I went for down trade, and I think I will successfully win this. Last seconds, come down, please come down. Yes, 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 yes. So I have won. Yes. Okay, now what next? So as you are now it's clearly known that it is a downtrend has started. So again I have taken a down trade. Why I have taken the down trade? Same funda, because next for few minutes the trend is going to be like this. It could be a correction, but currently mostly the chances are few candles will go down only. So that's why I went for second trade, and this also I think means, if you can clearly see, it again went in my way. So it's all about experience, and the technical part I'm telling you with along with my trades. I'm explaining everything. Okay. Just one thing I would like to mention, I'm not getting the subscribers. I'm giving this information in free. So please, guys, subscribe to my channel and share to maximum person so that more people get benefited. Okay, so I will take one more trade. This will be the last one. Huh? Okay, so I will take a down trade. Why I took the down trade? As I told you, the reason, this is a clear downtrend now. guys, it's a clear downtrend going on. It has broken this resistance. Now after that, you can see this. If you can wait, if you can see, this is the wick. So it's a clear resistance, and clear this clear resistance is giving me the confidence to again and again go for the down trades. Okay, so here also, and whenever you see this green candle, it's kind of, you know, little correction only. So it's kind of this down, little correction, and then it will go down. So that's why whenever, this is the best place to take the trade. Okay, so as I show again, it was very close, but we won this trade also. Okay, so thank you guys. And one more thing, if you want to join my uh, signal group, you can join. I take only $15 for 1 month. Daily I am giving three to five trades. And if you want to invest with me, you can invest with me. My email address and my Facebook uh, details are given in the description. You can contact me. You can contact me on Messenger. So if you want to, if you're losing money, I would suggest come to me. Let's work together. If you want to win some money, you can contact me. So thank you guys. And if you get benefited and you got some learning from my videos, please share, subscribe, and like my videos. I need subscribers. If and one more announcement, if I get 1000 subscribers, I will surely teach of my secret strategies on YouTube. Okay, bye guys. Thank you.